This is Nick from Acton Custom. We're making up a few fan bars, pusher fan bars for the front of some radiators right now. So it was a convenient time to explain to our customers what style they would like and how to get the measurements off them. So what we've got here is a radiator frame, a couple of pusher fan bars we've put together. Let's call it, for the sake of clarity, let's call it a face mount, where we put the plates on the end of the pusher fan bar so we can bolt it to the frame of a radiator if you have one of those already. And so that would be a face mounted. If you want to get a width for that, you can simply measure across the width of your frame, and so measuring outside to inside gives me a 25-inch distance. I can make you up a pusher fan bar in a face mount with a 25-inch center spacing so that it can fit on the front of your radiator frame. If you've got a fiberglass car that has side panels on it, let's call it an end mount on the pusher fan bar. I can take the plates and we can put them on the end, and you can bolt them against the inside of your fiberglass or aluminum panels on the nose of your car. So the distance on that one would have to be measured across the inside of your nose like that. So we can do face mount or we can do end mount. You can tell us which style you want, and you can measure off your car what dimension you'd like that to be, and we can make that up for you. This is the radiator frame setup going in a contemporary car. It gets all of the similar setup with the pusher fan brackets and the pusher fan bar on the front of it.